Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. A bit of an unexpected video today because I've seen a couple of comments, only a couple of comments, but there has been a couple of you asking if I've had any trouble withdrawing any funds from Trading 212. Some of you have been explaining that you've had friends that might have had money withheld, and if I'm honest, that scared the shit out of me, and I'm wondering if that's one of the questions I haven't asked yet. If Trading 212 are holding on to people's money, particularly mine when it grows, I want to know about it. So today I've freed up a bit of cash just to see if it's doable. Now I have done a couple of mini withdrawals in the past, about 130 quid here and there, but today as a tester I've decided to take a big chunk of money out just to see if they will get it to you quite quickly. If you're new to this channel is all about me investing my life savings into the stock market. I'm attempting to choose a new platform after making loads of mistakes, and right now I'm circling 212 to invest in my new ISA on the 6th of April. I'm ticking off a load of problems and doing a lot of research to see if Trading 212 is the right app for me. But this new problem's come up is that people are saying that Trading 212 holds onto your money. This is important to me because part of my problem with Hargreaves and Lansdown was that for some reason they would only let me sell 90% of my funds. That left me with 50 quid here and there that's still in them funds that I can't really get out, especially now that the market's crashed and I have to wait for that money to grow a bit. I need to know for sure now if Trading 212 does something similar. Now, one thing I know for certain because I've done it is I can sell all of my stocks. So there's none of that dicking around in funds with Hargreaves Lansdown where they don't let you sell all of your funds for some reason. Trading 212 just seems to have a couple of little holdbacks when you try to withdraw your money. I tell you what, I wish I'd filmed this on my phone today because when these rumours started appearing, I sold up all of my shares that are in profit and dumped it into the free funds and then withdrew everything. I've only really got the notifications to show you that I did it and the emails to show that everything's been done. As you can see, if we go into my notifications today, I can just scroll down and show you what I did earlier. So what I did earlier was found all of my shares that were in profit and sold them all. I was going to do this anyway because I've got to put it in the ISA in 4 days, but these rumours just spurred it on a little bit. So I sold everything and then I decided to make a withdrawal of £2,063. Now when I did that, I went to withdraw funds. I had to type in my password, go into my investing account, and as you can see right now I've got 0 available for withdrawal, but earlier it did have something along the lines of 2,170 something, and as you can see it's actually got locked funds in there of £113.48. I clicked on the info tab and I found out that all these locked funds are actually free shares that I've had over the course of the last 30 days. And for some reason Trading 212 wants to hold on to them for 30 days after I've sold them. And actually with that £113, because it was just sitting there and it's got to sit there for 30 days, I bought 1.5 shares in Reckitt and Benckiser, which is actually doing quite well. It's about 2 or 3 quid up right now. Pretty good. Again, I wish I'd filmed it, but when I did click withdrawal, it actually put a little notification on there that said you can only withdraw 95% of your free funds. I imagine if you wanted all of that back, which is about £13 to me right now, they would probably just ask me to close the account completely and then send the money back then. I don't really see a problem with that. I just have a problem with Hargreaves Lansdown not allowing me to sell all of my funds. Just to show, after you've withdrawn the funds, you get a nice little email that says how much you've withdrawn and that it's been successful. And I think you're just going to have to take my word for it that the money is safely in my bank account right now. So there you have it. In my experience, I've just managed to sell and withdraw about 2 grand. 2 grand's not a ton of money, but it's probably not a massive amount of money when in comparison to what some people have on Trading 212. I'm not sure where some of these people have got their information from, but it could be maybe YouTubers who have had the same experience as me and had a few locked funds in there. Or it could be friends who have had a genuinely unlucky experience. If you've personally had an experience like this, please let me know because I'd like to know if there's more cases like this out there. But I just managed to withdraw £2,000, so I've got no reason to personally not trust Trading 212 on that front. Thanks very much for those comments. It's a question that I really hadn't asked yet, and I'm so glad it's now that I had to do the research to find out the answer. If you're looking at signing up to Trading 212, I have a link in the description below. If you sign up through that link, we both get a free share. And as always, if you like the video, keep liking, subscribing, and investing.